8 ways to fix your iPhone flashlight not working. Force restart your iPhone. The first thing you should do is restart your device. A force restart will close all apps running in the background and eliminate any minor bug or glitch that could have occurred during the session. A lot of the time, a force restart solves the problem. Re-enable flashlight. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on Control Center. Locate the flashlight icon, also called torch. Tap on the red minus button next to it to remove the flashlight from the control center. Now, restart your iPhone. When your iPhone boots, go back to Control Center settings. Locate the flashlight option and tap on the green plus button next to it to add to Control Center. Edit camera settings and close the application. Open the camera app. At the top left corner, tap on the flash icon. From the menu, select off. Exit the camera app and check if the flashlight works. If it's still not responding, force quit the camera application. On iPhones with Face ID, swipe up from the middle bottom. On iPhones with a home button, double press it. Locate the camera app window and swipe up on it to close. Limit camera access. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and go to Privacy. Tap on the camera option. Next to All apps, toggle the slider to disable camera permission. Now, check if the flashlight works. Reset all settings. Go to your iPhone settings. Then, go to General Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap on Reset and select Reset all settings. Enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Update iPhone. Open your iPhone settings. Go to General Settings. Then, tap on Software Update. Wait while your iPhone searches for updates. If found any, tap on Download and Install. Reset to factory settings. Before performing a factory reset, make sure to back up all important information, like your document, photos, videos, etc., as everything will be deleted. Go to your iPhone settings. Then, go to General Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap on Erase all content and settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset the device. Contact Apple support. If nothing helps, for further assistance, contact Apple support. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history, and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.